I feel dizzy, so
What's
somebody's
this?
gonna have to do it for me.
Like the one you were just doing?
No, this is like the one we were doing before.
Yeah.
This is the test though. Come do it for me.
No.
Come do it for me.
I'm no.
Come do it for me.
I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
Yes, you do.
I don't.
Yes, you do.
I don't.
Yes, you do.
Hold on, you don't. I don't know what I'm doing.
Yes, you do.
What am I writing?
That one.
What's that one?
That one. So here. This is the equation that you want. Okay, you want 2 carbon plus hydrogen gas, 1 mole of hydrogen gas to produce 1 mole of acetylene. Okay? These are the equations that you have. You must manipulate these equations to make everything look like this. So you start with the first equation. What do you need to do to this equation? What are we focusing on with this equation? There you go. There's acetylene. Where is this? What side of the reaction is this?
What's that?
Yeah. Reactant side?
You said what side of the reactant? I said the left side. That's what you. Ain't that what you just said?
That's not what I said.
I thought that's what you said. See, I can't be up here. I can't work under pressure.
We're going to get it done.
Alright.
Okay? What side is it on in the equation that you want? There you go. So what do you need to do with this equation?
Flip it.
There you go. So flip it. So if you're flipping it, what happens to your entropy?
It's positive. What's it negative?
It was negative first. You need to flip it now. So C.
It's 2 though.
C.
C. Oh.
Where you see 2C?
When we flipping the first one?
Look so. This equation you have flipped.
Yeah, but don't so that you don't put the 2 in front of it when it goes
Oh, okay, go ahead.
You confuse me and I'm already confusing you about yourself.
See, you just hating on my marker, dude.
There's one right here. Use this one.
See, it been through students. That's what it is. Thank you.
Y'all put that the
Yeah.
just like how
Mhm.
my neck this is not comfortable.
Well, you have to learn sometime. So now what happened to the entropy? Okay, good. Now come over here. Look at me here. All right? So now this equation, what are we focusing on in this equation?
The carbon.
The carbon. What side is the carbon on?
It's on the reactant.
Where do you need it to be?
Reactant.
Very good. What also do you need this carbon to be?
2.
It needs it to be, you need it to be 2. So what do you need to do in order to get this carbon to be 2? You multiply everybody by 2.
Even this part too?
Yep.
So then write it the same way.
Uh-huh. Ooh, this one pretty. Don't kill it though. I told you.
It's still negative because we didn't keep it.
Right. But what did you do to it though? Right, so
Go down?
yes. Okay, good. So now what do you need to do with your third equation?
It's, wait.
What do you mean balance it?
Well, you need to subtract. You don't need that.
That's fine.
Your third equation. You're focusing on what in your third equation? Your hydrogen. Your hydrogen's on the reactant side, so it can stay as it is. Right?
So that's right, rewrite that
So
one.
you rewrite that one. Okay, so now that you've done all your manipulation, all you need to do at this point is add up all your entropies.
Oh, so we're not doing nothing to this no more?
Because you already manipulated it. So if you do your erasing, so if you look at your erasing, so you erase your 2 carbon dioxide, they're gone. You're also going to erase your what? What are you going to erase? Your water. What are you also going to erase?
Have oxygen.
So your oxygen. So this right here, this is 5 over 2,
2.5.
and this is what over what?
It's 2 of
This is 4 over 2.
So change that to 4 too.
Change the 4 over 2. So if you have 4 over 2 plus 1 over 2, what do you have?
Oh,
5 over 2, so that cancels that out. Only O2's cancel. Right? So now all you have left is what you need. 2 carbons, hydrogen gas, and your acetylene. So you don't need to have to mess with this after you've done your manipulation. All you have to do is add up your entropies.
Is it always going to be like that?
Yes. So you can multiply, you can divide, all that in order to get the equations that you have to look like the equations that you want.
Don't you also have to multiply the entropies?
We did.
Oh,
So the second equation, we multiplied that by 2.
I guess. Yeah.
And the first equation, we flipped it. So what'd you get? You got 22.7? 22.7.1?
So C plus H3 now ready given.
So the magic people said they get 226.8 kgs. Alright? You want to try another one? So we have this one here. You want to do it yet? I can. So look at that. Okay? So we have the equation that you want, and you have 3 equations that you have, right? So let's look at the first equation. What do we need to do with the first equation?
Leave it.
We leave it alone. Now if you look at the second equation, what do we need to do with the second equation?
Remain same.
Second equation needs to remain the same?
Yeah, but we need
What do you need to do with it? Look at the first equation. Look at the first equation and tell me what is not in the equation that you want. We have O3, which is ozone, and what else? Oxygen gas. So we know we need to get rid of ozone and oxygen gas. Alright? So now, where is ozone on reactant side? Ozone on the second equation, where is it? Can you erase things from the same side? What do you need to do then? You need to flip it. Okay. So now what do we need to do? Tell me. So we cancel what out? There you go. You want to cancel, is it cancel out O2? We don't want to cancel out O2. We want O2, we want oxygen atom on the reactant side. So therefore this needs to flip. Multiply what? By what? This one?
Yeah, when you want also.
There you go. So what do you need to do with that also? So how many oxygen atoms do we need? So therefore what do we need to do with this? Divide that by? Yes. Yes. Is that it?
Yes.
So then you add everybody up. That's chapter 6. Oh.
Yes, on the left.
Do we need a calculator?
We don't need that. We don't need that for this one.
We don't need a calculator for the lab. That's supposed to take right now.
Figures is useless.
Don't even know.
Figures is
You
useless.
shouldn't,
What about the other one?
right? There's like no calculation.
Oh, there's lots of colorimetry. We have lots of that.
But like for the pre-lab, it didn't say nothing about, it just was like, what the spectrophotometer was, what the, like how the wavelength is considered,
Yeah.
and the color is.
I was thinking your answer was right. You got it right?
Then you want me to use.
So that's what you got. Do we understand this now? So let's see. We can do one with the entries of formation. Oh yeah, I did take that. So the chart is in the book. Okay, so look at this question, right? This is gonna be our last one, and then we can leave.
Oh, you did that.
Oh no, that's what I did. That's what we did already.
Are you gonna need it? You and Red done it?
Done that. Yeah.
No, I'm saying, so for the next class, you're gonna need it, you ready?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Mine is over. Thank you.
It's legit bad, but it's here. Probably would be the one that is tailed.
Yeah.
Okay, look at this question.
The whole thing, right?
I'm still gonna just add.
Calculate the standard entropy change for the combustion of 1 mole of benzene to carbon dioxide and water. So I'll give you the equation so you won't have to solve it. So here's the equation. So now, this is the standard entropy of formation. This is now not Hess's law anymore. This is the sum of the entropies times their coefficient of the products minus the sum of the entropies times the coefficient of the reactants.
I don't wanna understand.
Huh?
So now I wanna understand.
Okay? So now tell me what is the entropy of the reaction. Now remember, with this one, it's the entropy, the whole entropy itself. Equals, okay? So this whole thing here will equal the entropy of the reaction. So you have to make sure you have this equal sign. This equal sign is going to give you a number. Alright? And the reason why I say that is I can give you this number and ask you to find the entropy of formation of one of these. Okay? It's never going to be this and that alone. You have to take what I give you and apply it to other things. Alright? So now we have, so what do we have here first? What's the first thing we have here?
So 1 times
No!
6 times carbon dioxide.
No!
1 time.
No!
Third bracket.
Design?
Or Taylor?
What is it? What?
The formula you want?
No, I want what goes first. What's the first number that goes?
The coefficient?
1.
No!
Summation.
No!
I don't know.
Yes, you do. What is my formula? The summation of
Coefficient.
the coefficient times the
Entropy of
no, the entropies of the
product.
products.
Oh, the products go first?
Products first, then reactants. You see? Oh no, they was about to get a big fat 0 out of 10.
We're hungry.
We're hungry too.
Me too.
Okay? So what goes first?
Which one are you doing? The CO2? The 6 CO2?
So 6
That's the first.
6 times that number?
6
Carbon dioxide.
CO2
Power.
plus
3H2O.
3H2O
Bracket minus.
bracket minus
C8.
1 C6H6
Power.
plus 15 halves O2. So you plug everything in. Plug all the values in.
Do you have like an acronym for remembering that formula? No, do you have like a special way? And you save yourself
Right,
crazy
see, yeah, see what happened with that is,
What? 15 halves?
no. That one, what's the name of that?
Benzene. So here it is here.
So
So
on
just
the,
do the math. Do
so
the
our-
math for me here.
you're gonna give us, like,
I'll
how-
give you everything.
so we won't have to figure out how much that is. You just
How
give
much what is?
the benzene.
No,
You just
I'll
put
give you
benzene
every-
equals
Yes.
herd.
right? So all you have to do is remember the formula
Just product
and
first.
plug it in. Products minus reactants.
Okay.
Alright, so plug everything in. Just plug it in your calculator and give me the number. So here's the ending result here, this one. Minus 10,000. That doesn't sound too right.
Negative 9,000.
Negative 9,000?
So
Negative
900, sorry.
3. Negative
Negative 900
It ain't 900 neither.
It's 3. Negative 3, 6
to
to 32. What? That's the last tree, right?
Yes, it should be 3,000 and something.
That's what I just said.
You said that.
I said tree.
You
No,
said
I-
negative 3 and
Now you made me delete it. I'll go back again.
Negative
I know.
3267.4 kilojoule.
There you go. Alright?
That's what I said.
Are they all months?
Yes, they're all
All
minuses.
minus.